How to fix Reddit app not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is make sure to update your application. So head over to the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for Reddit. Move ahead to this app right here. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, tap on update and update the app. Now wait for a while for the application to be updated. And once you've got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is simply go back to your home page and then move into settings. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom and search for the application Reddit. Once you find the application Reddit, move into it. Now click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.